In the past, technology dictated time and place. These days, wherever you might be, and no matter what time it is, it's right there for you. What once took considerable time and energy, today, it's just a few clicks away. Technological progress gives us the power to reach new goals considerably faster and more comfortably. And from now on, hard and tiring manual labor belongs in the past. Times change. And so do requirements. Greenlee EK50ML, the world's first electromechanical crimping tool with PowerSense technology, manual pre-clamp, and motorized crimping. Greenlee EK50ML. That's the way you crimp today.